Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Keap CRM tags for automation segments, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, log into your Keap CRM account. Once logged in, navigate to the Contacts tab on the main dashboard. In the Contacts section, select Tags from the drop-down menu. Click the New Tag button located at the top right of your screen. Enter a descriptive name for your tag in the provided field. You may also add a brief description if it helps clarify the tag's purpose. After filling in the details, save the tag by clicking the Save button. Now, return to the Contacts tab and choose a contact you wish to tag. Once you've selected the contact, click on the Tags section in their profile. Search for the tag you just created in the tag list. Check the box next to the tag to apply it to the selected contact. Now that you've tagged a contact, let's set up an automation segment. Navigate to the Automations tab in your dashboard. Select Create Automation to start a new automation sequence. Here, you can choose to start with a blank automation or a template. Drag and drop the Apply Tag action into your automation workflow. Select the relevant tag you created earlier from the drop-down menu. Next, set the trigger for the automation, such as when a contact is added to a list. Define any additional actions you want to include in your automation. Once complete, save your automation by clicking the Save button in the top right corner. You can now test your automation to ensure it works as expected. Finally, monitor the results to see how your tags and automation segments are performing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.